ректор Малой Академии наук Республики Саха-Якутия
Good
Василий
morning, welcome
Павлов
to Yakutsk.
и руководитель Центра по выявлению и поддержке одаренных детей Республики Саха-Якутия Сергей Попов приветствует делегацию из Гонконга.
Oh, wow!
Please, yeah. So now,
Traditional meeting ceremony.
Давайте
So demonstrate.
It's hot milk. Traditional.
It's a maize, it's a hot water. Maize milk. It's some Greece. It's very Mongolian.
Ah, yeah.
Ancient style. It's a maize milk, fermented maize milk. Mare is a female horse. So they're milking them and making some. Just a little, you see. If you don't like it.
How do you know that?
Because milk is some specific, you know. Because milk, horse milk, they get it and then they just brew it with some yeast.
Yes. Yeah, can taste something. Yeah, a little sour, right? Yeah.